Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G5s Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by opening menu, then click on calendar and tap on the month above. Select the date and tap at the bottom right corner on the plus sign. Choose event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, add people, location and many other things. You can even change color. When you're done, click at the top right corner on Saved. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click on three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!